So friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing unable to install problem in your Valorant, so guys watch this video till end because in this video I am showing you the solution of this problem, and watch this video till end. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. First, right click the clock on the bottom right of your screen taskbar. Click adjust date and time. In the settings window, find set time automatically or set time zone automatically, toggle it off. Now click the change button under set the date and time manually. Set date as January 3, 2026. Time anytime you want. Click change to save. I hope this worked for you. Do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe.